Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair 32-inch Loyd LED TV. In this TV the complaint is backlight okay, no picture. See, while tapping on the screen here you can see the backlight flashing on the screen. While checking here you can see this TV comes with single COF Samsung panel with SM4186 Dc. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. If both sides of panel Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. Here, if shorting is with any one side of the panel, we can repair it. Here, due to internal shorting in Gatesignals, the SM4186 DC to DC IC goes to protection mode. Because of that, it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages like VGH-VGL, AVDD, etc. We can solve this fault by panel short removal method by cutting Gatesignals from the shorted side. Here, these are the Gatesignals tracks from right side and these are Gatesignals tracks from left side respectively. This is just only temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. Here first we are going to cut down the right side Gatesignals. Now right side Gatesignals tracks are cut down, but the complaint remains same, so here we need to rejoin the cutted tracks completely and need to cut down the left side Gatesignals tracks. So that's finally here we completed short removal method. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is back to normal. Now the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.